Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to put on an ABS wheel speed sensor. So let's get to it. So if you're new to the videos, I have a around 550 all-wheel horsepower wide body 335i that I'm working on. So make sure you subscribe and like the video so you can see more content of that. So the first thing you want to do is check which wheel sensor is going off. I had a all-wheel drive malfunction and DSC malfunction. See if you have a code for a wheel speed sensor, and if you do, check and see which wheel speed sensor that is. My wheel speed sensor is the front right. So I'm gonna pop off this wheel here and then we can get to that. Alright, so right here's your ABS sensor wire. It's going around its way down and into the front of your spindle. And then you have to take off this bolt here, and then it should be able to pop off with a little bit of pulling and tying. Alright, now that we got it all on there, we can take off the bolt. There we go. Now that we have our wheel speed sensor here, we can probably grab it by the cable a little bit, give her a little wiggle. And there she is. So to get this off, there's a little clip here. I'll pull up, grab it from two sides, pull up. Same thing with this one, pull out. And then the plugs are going to be inside this box here. So take off this box, undo the little clips on the bottom. Door opens up. Gonna be a bunch of salt and crap in there if you live in the north. Freaking Antarctica. And then you gotta unplug this sucker. So to unplug the ABS wire, all you have to do is push down on this little tab right there, and then you squeeze it down and then just pull the wire out. Sorry I couldn't film it, I had to use both of my hands. It's been a few days, I got our new ABS wire ready to go in. They accidentally sent me the rear wheel drive one instead, so let's throw in our new ABS wheel speed sensor. Alright, so here's our wheel speed sensor. It looks exactly the same as our one that we pulled out. So here is the plug on the bottom, and here's the top part of it. All looks exactly the same, so let's throw her in the car. Alright, so I'm going to start with is the front part. So I started with the sensor part, plug that in, and put the bolt that we need to put in there. Then you want to start working your way up to the plug housing. After we cleaned out our box, I'm going to take our two plugs here and plug them together. The plugs are all put together. Make sure this tuck's behind here. Make sure everything snaps into place. Everything's all ready to go. You can close up your little box here. Snap those in. And then your ABS wire should be done. I don't know about your car. Some cars need to be recoated, some don't, but that's how you get rid of your ABS light. Alright, so now that we got the wheel speed sensor on, now it's time to throw on our wheel. Alrighty, the wheel is back on. Everything's good to go. Wheel sensor's in. Now all we have to do is take her for a test drive, do a pull, see if she works. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.